Hello, Ebusia. We're talking about Anita Sefa and Barimah Osei Mensah's marriage. Sources indicate that the marriage has encountered a significant difficulty barely a year or barely 2 years after their marriage. This is not new. I have actually reported on this before when we first heard the rumors that Anita has returned the drink to Barimah Osei Mensah's family. However, they came out, that was during when Anita was pregnant, to debunk these news that they are together. In fact, we all heard them saying something like, Atamfo enye nyame.
Hey, Atamfo menu. Social media in-laws and mwenye
which some of us gave us a retreat, but gave us the comfort knowing that the beautiful union that we all witnessed just barely 2 years ago would succumb to, to the pressure of the world to come to an end like that. But they told us it wasn't like that. In fact, Anita was pregnant, and from what we heard, she has already given birth to their baby, to their first baby. That will be, I believe, Anita's 4th child. So going on, fast forward today, 26th of July, just to wake up to hear that the marriage has come to an end, in a sense that Anita has returned the drinks to Barimah's family. I'm not sure as to how much of this is true, because we heard this before, I reported on it before, and now it's coming back all over again. And from sources that we hear, the marriage has come to an end. Just said this is the end of that awarie. The reason is not known yet. However, we've all bear witness to their struggles since the beginning of their marriage, especially the speculation and the rumors that Barimah Osei Mensah has, an infidelity issues, cheating all along, or has many other, side chicks, whom some of them, like we heard some tapes that were, transpiring between some of their friends, talking about how Barimah confers to his girlfriend that Anita doesn't respect him and he's not being respected. Anita just married him for show and all those brouhaha. That was last year, and we're hearing similar thing today as well. It's very sad. It's quite unfortunate. That is, if this news of the end of their marriage, it's indeed the truth. So I am hoping, and I'm still convinced that the marriage, they will survive through these ordeal, whatever differences it is. Every marriage goes through, turbulence, and I'm hoping that they will find within themselves, the joy and the happiness and the future that both of them hold together, especially now that there's one child involved, just so that they can stay together and make all of us happy. Come on. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.